Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Akash Network coin. Its price prediction this year mega bullion that as its already all-time high is $8. So in this year mega bullion, is it possible that we can see AKT coin price up to $50 to $100 here? Because this is not a meme coin. This is very potentially strong coin, deep in coin, AI coin, and made in USA. So is it possible that one AKT can hit $100 here? On those, so it is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, equity current price 1.4 dollars. Okay, drop by almost 1%. Last 24 hours, but he can see last 30 days 21% dump, and last 1 year 74% dump. It's just because entire crypto market was dumping in last 2 months. That's why its price is also dumped here. $355 million market cap for this coin, already hit $1 billion market cap. Okay, many times, but due to recent market crash, its current market cap is just 355 million only. Okay, $16.3 billion trading volume in last 24 hours. So friends, no doubt trading volume is also good. You can see 388 million coin supply, 247 in circulation. So circulation supply is very low, just 247 million coins only. Okay, you can see friends, the narratives are amazing. This is AI coin. Okay, artificial intelligence coin, smart contract platform, deep in proof of stake. Okay, so this is amazing. And also made in USA, this category, this narrative is also amazing. Can lead this mega bullion also. 4 years ago, means in previous bullion, this coin hit all-time high price of $8. Okay, already hit $8, where from we are 82% down, and all-time low was 2 years ago in previous bear market of 2022, where hit $0.16, 769% down than its all-time, sorry, up than its all-time low. So this is somehow good performances. Still, this coin is 770% up than its all-time low. Somehow this is good, friends. Mostly central exchange listings done for this coin. I can see Upbit, Gate.io, Kraken, Coinbase. Okay, mostly central exchanges has list this coin, and maybe just like still Binance has no list this coin, so maybe we can see its listing on Binance also, because it's very amazing coin. And friends, now my price prediction about this coin is that I think this coin, this AI coin, this deepin coin has definitely potential to be the next at least 25 to maybe $40 billion coin. Because friends, we saw many meme coins, okay, recently to hit $1 billion market cap, just like in previous bull run we saw Shiba Inu hit $45 billion. There was the meme coin, and Dogecoin hit more than $50 billion market cap. There was also a meme coin, but this AKT coin is AI coin, is deepin coin, made in USA, smart contract platform, proof of stake, so very useful meme coin. So it has amazing use case in crypto market. So that's why friends, I think we can see this market up to maybe 40 to $50 billion here. Definitely this coin can break its all-time high and make a new all-time high around maybe 50 to $80 in this year mega bullion. I missed this coin around $0.5 in 2022, but I'm not going to miss this coin at current price, because I think it's still this meme coin has amazing potential. It's just market cap is under $500 million, so this can be the good buying opportunity for long term. I'm going to buy this coin soon on Get.io exchange, and if you not have Get.io exchange account yet, I provide you Get.io and MEX exchange accounts, links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched best cryptos before listing on major central exchanges. And if you not join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel where you can get all latest crypto updates here. Okay, and all my videos information here. So you can also join my Telegram channel for latest crypto updates.